So now dear student of class 10, now it is time for discussion of types of chemical reactions. So we can just classify the different chemical reactions into the 5 major type of chemical reactions. And number 1 we can enlist as a chemical reactions. Number B, decomposition reactions. Number C, displacement reactions. Number D, double displacement reactions. And number E, oxidation and reduction reactions. So these are the topic as per our syllabus to be studied so far in class 10 chemistry sections. Now let us discuss what do you mean by combination reactions. Combination reactions का meaning क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है? So how to define? Simply here I have written the definition of the combination reactions. The chemical reactions in which two or more than two different substances combine each other to form a single substance are called combination reactions. मतलब ऐसा रिएक्शंस, ऐसा केमिकल रिएक्शन जिसमें दो या दो से ज्यादा सब्सटेंस को कंबाइन करते हैं हम लोग, रिएक्शन होता है और उसमें एक सिंगल सब्सटेंस का प्रोडक्शन होता है. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस इज नोन एज कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शंस. नाउ हियर नंबर 1 यू मे सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ द कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शंस. व्हेन क्विकलाइम CaO is calcium oxide and you may tell calcium oxide as a quicklime means चूना taken as a solid state. ब्रैकेट में सबका फिजिकल स्टेट मेंशन किया गया because in last classes we have mentioned how to make our chemical reactions more informative, means one by mentioning their physical states also. So when quicklime or calcium oxide in solid state is allowed to react with the water in liquid state, then कौन सा रिएक्शन होगा इसमें? कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन होगा दोनों में. और एज ए रिजल्ट प्रोडक्ट के रूप में आपका कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनता है CaOH whole 2 and that is known as the calcium hydroxide, means chemical name, and other name you can tell means common name as a slag lime also. तो slag lime बोलो या calcium hydroxide बोलो, same thing. And in bracket I have mentioned AQ कल ही बताए थे, means solution. Aqueous means AQ stand for the aqueous solution, means the solution which is prepared by taking water as a solvent. मतलब ऐसा सॉल्यूशन हम लोग बनाते हैं जिसमें वाटर को सॉल्वेंट के रूप में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, यूज किया जाता है, उस टाइप को सॉल्यूशन को हम लोग बोलते हैं एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. एंड इन शॉर्ट यू मे मेंशन दैट AQ बिकॉज दिस इज द सॉल्यूट हियर. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड सॉल्यूट है यहाँ पे और ये वाटर सॉल्वेंट के रूप में काम कर रहा है. मींस हम लोग ये दोनों कंबाइन करेंगे और वहां पे कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का सॉल्यूशन बन रहा है. सो यू मे राइट एक्वस सॉल्यूशन इन अ ब्रैकेट. नाउ नंबर 2, when magnesium ribbon in activity 1.1 we have studied already, when magnesium ribbon is allowed to bond in air, means when it is allowed to when you burn the magnesium ribbon in presence of oxygen, then definitely this is also the combination reaction and as a result magnesium oxide is formed, है ना. Here I have written 2 to balance the chemical equations. And here you have to mention its physical state. Similarly, let us proceed on number C. When hydrogen gas is allowed to burn with oxygen, then water is formed in a liquid state, right? It is also combination reaction, means hydrogen oxygen के साथ combine करके water बना रहा है. Now number D, when hydrogen gas react with the chlorine gas, मतलब when hydrogen and chlorine gas combine with each other, then hydrogen chloride gas is formed. So it is also combination reactions. Now number E, when sodium metal, means in a solid state, is allowed to bond with chlorine gas, then it produces the sodium chloride, means combination reactions यहाँ पे हुआ. and this sodium chloride is known as common salt also, which we use in our daily life. Now number F, when iron and sulfur is heated strongly, when iron, जब iron और sulfur को हम लोग एक वाच ग्लास में, मीन्स एक आपका हीटिंग बीकर में, हीटिंग ग्लास में, हीटिंग ट्यूब में रख करके यदि हीट करते हैं इसको हम लोग, देन हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड मीन्स फेरस सल्फाइड इज फॉर्म्ड, which is also a combination reactions. So dear student, here are each and every examples. Here you can see this side means on the left hand side the substances taken are combining with each other to produce one single substance on the right hand side of the arrow. So these all are the combination reactions. Simply I am repeating once again the definition of the combination reactions. Simply you have to write when two or more than two substances are taken and when they combine with each other, then new single substance is formed, then such chemical reactions are said to be combination reactions. Here are some examples. You may collect more also.